Hello and welcome to Flag Basics. Here we will talk about all the basic flags and just going to cover the basics. I am Jacob Huff of the Imperial Republic of Terra, and I have made a big number of flags. Here we're going to start off with it all in alphabetical order, starting off with bicolor. Now, bicolors are kind of obvious if you look at the word bicolor. It is two different colors. Normally it's horizontal. Sometimes it's vertical, but most of the time it's horizontal. Now, on to Canton. Canton is pretty much a flag with another flag in it. Such as the United States has its stars and stripes. The stars are the little rectangle, and the stripes are the big field. That's a canton. A circle is just a field with a circle in it, mostly used in Japan. You have a cross. There are different types of cross that will be discussed later. So you have the cross. The cross was pretty much used by England back in the day, the white and red cross, and is quite popular. So you have next you have quarters. Quarters are obviously 4 flags. They can be different colors, they can have little images in it, whatever you want. Generally, they aren't used a lot, but still, they're pretty good flag making. Then you have the satire, which, correction on what I said, England used, it's not called a satire, it's called a saltire. England used the saltire, which is just a white, which is pretty much an X. The cross is just a plus sign. Okay, so you have an X. Okay, now onto the Scandinavian cross, which is pretty much a cross, except the cross is a little bit skinnier. The cross used on Scandinavian countries such as Norway and Sweden. The vertical line. Yes, the vertical line. Vertical line is more to the left than in the center. Next you have serration, not sure how to pronounce that, but it looks like someone took a bite out of it. Forget the name of the country. It's like Qatar or something like that. Don't know how to pronounce it. Sorry if I don't know how to pronounce it. Okay. Mostly not used. Pretty good though. Now you have the triangle flag. The triangle flag is mostly used by the Czech Republic and everything. A lot of Palestinian countries have it. Now with the triangle flag, you can have multiple bars or stripes, however you want to call that. Bands is one of the technical terms, I believe. I know Palestinian countries use 3 bars in a triangle. So it's a triangle and then bars coming out of it, or bands. Then you have the Czech Republic, who only has 1 white band and 1 red band equal, and then you have a triangle. Next is triband. However, I want to go with tricolor first. It'll be easier to explain tricolor. Tricolor is probably the mostly used flag, and I'm pretty much an expert of it because all of Terra's national flags have been tricolors. So what a tricolor is many mistake it as it's just vertical. However, it's horizontal too. What it is it's tricolor, so it's 3 different colors. It can be up to anything. So the French flag, it's a blue, a white, and a red at a tricolor. So it's a vertical tricolor. Vertically, which up and down. Then you have horizontal, which is side to side, which would be like the Netherlands, who have a red, white, and then blue, all horizontal or side to side colors. And then you have the triband, which Austria has it, which is pretty much a tricolor, except it only has 2. Only has 2 stripes. I mean, not 2 stripes. 2 colors. It has 3 bands in 2 colors. It's a pretty big one. Austria has a red, then a white, then a red band. So it goes red band, red band, all equal. However, they don't have all these flags don't actually have to be equal. That's just now for miscellaneous. To spice up your flag, you may use a coat of arms. I know Mexico does. One of the most popular ones micronations use their coat of arms. I believe it's their coat of arms. The Arakan Empire, I believe that's what it's called, or the pronunciation. That's how you pronounce it. The Arakan flag, it has a smiley face on it, so it's pretty cool. Mexico, as I said, is one of the most common things. How it has their coat of arms, your little eagle thing. That's what coat of arms. You'll learn more about coat of arms in other classes if you haven't already. So that was flag basics. Remember, there are so many other different types of flags. Example, you could be like Spain. It doesn't have one of these flags that are mentioned. So, thank you. This was my first class I ever taught, and goodbye.